Hey everyone, I know it's been a long time since my last video was posted, but we've got a big update. So I didn't get a full build of, or I didn't get videos of the build process from start to finish. I'm kind of just coming in after it's pretty much done. I have to do one other thing, and then I have to finish getting the tune right. So I just did a twin supercharger install from scratch on my FRS. It's really loud, so I hope you guys can still hear me. Hold on just a second. Let me step away from it for a minute. So I just finished a twin supercharger install on my FRS. This is just going to be like a preview video, and then I'm going to do a more in-depth video highlighting the build and everything I did to make it work right. Let me go ahead and show you what it is. So there's one AMR 500 supercharger. There's the second one. They feed in together, coming together with this pipe, come into a front mount intercooler, will feed in through the air and intake, cold air intake fan, intake tube. I'll take you guys on a quick drive. Around the block. Got a blow-off valve underneath the where it comes out, or where it goes into the intake, the air intake coming off of goes into the air intake after coming out of the intercooler. You can listen to that blow-off valve and that supercharger whine. I like it, it's nice. Way better than stock. So I just wanted to do a quick share right now, and then I'll go through, show you all of the stages and steps I went through to get it working properly. Oh, it's running really rich. That's why I need to work on do one more thing. I need to, let me switch this around real quick. I need to do the, I need to replace the built-in fuel pressure regulator, because I'm pretty sure that that's one of the issues, because I had direct wired the fuel pump. I have an upgraded fuel pump. I have a 340 liter per hour AEM fuel pump, intake fuel pump that I had on it, that I put on it back when I was stuck in Houston, when it appears that the original fuel pump regulator module failed. I've had a replacement for a long time because I just direct wired it. So I'm thinking that's what's going on, is that it's attempting to regulate the fuel pump, and it's failing, so because it's not hooked up to the regulator. So I think it's running rich because of that. So I'll replace that and see if that fixes that issue. But other than that, it's running great. I'm getting full boost. I'm only running like 7 or 8 pounds of boost. It's not a lot because I still have the stock injectors on it. But yeah, that's where it stands for right now. I'll give you guys a more detailed breakdown of the install and everything in a follow-up video.